Good afternoon. It is Wednesday, September 25th, 2024. This is a Tropicwatch update on Hurricane Helene, which is now entering the southern Gulf of Mexico. As we can see on the satellite imagery, Helene is building some nice high cloud tops on the southwest area of the circulation, and it is fighting some dry air intrusion into the system, which it should work its way out pretty much this evening. Helene is now forecast to become a Category 4 hurricane with winds of 130 miles per hour. If we look at the spaghetti model tracks, they are getting fairly closely clustered here in between Carabel and Apalachicola. The National Hurricane Center has Helene coming ashore and making landfall around 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, and it could be anywhere in the white shaded area, saying from Panama City over towards the Perry area. All precautions and preparation should be rushed to a conclusion at this time. The weather along the coastline will start deteriorating early tomorrow morning and later in the day tomorrow as the day progresses. This has been a Tropicwatch update on Hurricane Helene. Thank you for listening, and please don't forget to subscribe.